Welcome to Egg Surprise. Let's open up these eggs and find out who is inside. Let's start with the orange one. Who do you think might be inside this egg? Let's open it up and find out. Somebody is trapped inside some blue Play-Doh. Let's see if we can get them out. Who do you think it might be? Oh my goodness, is it Stuffy? Hi Stuffy! We've got some Play-Doh on you, don't we? Some blue messy Play-Doh. Alright, let's open up the next one. Let's see who might be inside the blue egg. We'll just open it up to find out. There is someone trapped inside the red Play-Doh. Oh my goodness, let's see who it is. It's Hallie Hippo. Hi Hallie. You're kind of messy too. Alright, on to the next. Ooh, let's try this shiny gold egg. Who might be in there? Oh my goodness. Someone is trapped inside of this white Play-Doh. Break it open and see who it might be. Is it Chili the snowman? Hi Chili. We'll join you with the others. Okay, on to the pink shiny egg. Oh my goodness, somebody's in this pink Play-Doh. Any guesses? Oh my goodness, it's Lambie. Hi Lambie, you are a mess. Alright, and for our very last one, who might be inside of this red egg? Oh my goodness. Here we have some purple Play-Doh. Doc McStuffins! Hi, Doc! Oh my goodness. You guys are all a little bit messy. What should we do about that? How should we get some of this extra leftover Play-Doh off of you all? Okay. I have a pretty good idea. Maybe we should have a pool party. A pool party with some bubbles? Sounds pretty fun to me. What do you guys think? Alright, it's pool party time with lots and lots of bubbles. Who do you think should go first? Let's go with Lambie. Splash! She goes into the bubbles. And then Hallie the hippo. Alright, and Chili the snowman. Let's get you guys all clean. Alright, Stuffy, it's your turn. In you go. And then last one to go is Doc McStuffins. Let's get you guys all clean. Look at all these bubbles. Get all of that Play-Doh off. You guys are gonna be shiny and just like new in no time. Woo! Maybe we should go down the slide again. There goes Lambie. All right. Okay, Stuffy's all done. Time to dry off. All right, Stuffy. You look as good as new. He's gonna go over on this lounge chair and wait. Who's next? Oh, Doc. Doc is all done. She's got work to do. Get her all dried off too. All right, all better. She's off to do a checkup. Okay. Hallie the hippo. Let's get these bubbles off of you. Hallie's got work to do too. She's gonna go join Doc McStuffins for a checkup. See you later, guys. Okay. Let's get Chili all cleaned up. Chili wants to go sit with Stuffy.